Tivoli's trendy Bardi Black range is drop-dead gorgeous. Tivoli taps are covered by a 15-year guarantee and are SAPCS accredited and Jazzwick listed. Taps are constructed from genuine brass and finished with a high-quality black powder coating that will not rust. Black, bold, beautiful but never brash, these matte black Basin taps make a gorgeous, strong and stylish statement in contemporary bathroom layouts. All taps are fitted with an aerator which ensures a low eco yet efficient water flow volume of 6 liters a minute. Head parts are covered with a 5-year guarantee and replacement units are readily available in store. Depending on the height and proportion you need, there are 3 Basin tap sizes to choose from: standard, medium and tall in the purely minimalistic Bardi Black tap series. Handles and spouts are rectangular with rounded edges supported by streamlined cylindrical bodies. Black, matte and minimalistic, the Bardi Black bath mixer tap with hand shower wall type is functional art on the bathroom wall. Cylinders and squares connect to form this elegant industrial combo unit of bath spout and handheld shower. This square and streamlined Bardi Black shower bath mixer tap smoothly adjusts the mix of cold and hot water. This Bardi Black diverter mixer tap is the dual option fitting that mixes water to the desired temperature. The diverter redirects from the primary functions such as the bath spout or shower head to the secondary outlets such as the hand shower. Tivoli's Bardi Black is matte black, magnificent, produced with pure Italian craftsmanship. So choose your taps and drop them into your cart today. Available at CTM.